Good morning, everyone. My dear students, grade 5. Welcome back again. And today we'll continue in the same lesson for yesterday, estimate products of fractions. Please prepare yourself, get your book, please. Okay. Today, week number 9, Monday, 16th of March 2020. Okay, I will continue our lesson how to estimate products. Okay, I just give an example to remind you what we studied yesterday. How to estimate 1/3 times by 17. 1/3 times by 17. Okay, 1/3 will be 1/3 times by 17, which is number closer to 17 and divisible by 3, which is, yes, excellent, 80. So it will be 1/3 times by 18, whose number means 18 over by 1. So I will multiply, denominators will be 18, denominators will be 3. 18 over by 3 means 18 divided by 3, which is 6. So 1/3 times by 17, about, is estimate, about 6. Okay? Okay. Today, we'll learn how to estimate fractions. As we see here in example number 2. Before we start this example, I want you to watch this video.
Hello, this is Mrs. Hyman. We're going to estimate by rounding to 0, 1/2, or 1. Estimate 11/12 times 1/3. Our fixed fraction, 11/12. The numerator and denominator are almost equal. 11 is very close to 12. And if it were equal, that would be 1. So we know that 11/12 is very close to 1. So let's round that one. 2, 1. Then we'll take our second fraction, 1/3. And again, if we look at our number line from 0 to 1, this is about 1/3 of the way. And 1/3 is very close to 1/2. So we will round 1/3 to 1/2. All right, now if we use our new values to do our multiplication, we'll take 1 times 1/2. And when we multiply any number times 1, we get that number. So 1 times 1/2 is 1/2. So original problem, 11/12 times 1/3 is approximately equal to 1/2.
Okay, is it clear? To estimate fractions, you can round each fractions to be 0, 1/2, or 1. Okay? As we see here, 11 out of 12 is closer to 1. 1/3 is closer to 1/2. So, 11 out of 12 times by 1 out of 3 will be 1 times 1/2, which is 1/2. Who can tell me what this property that we studied before? Anyone else? Anyone? Yes, Hamad? Yeah. Identity property. Identity property means when you multiply any number by 1, it gives us the same number. 1 times 1/2 means 1/2. Okay? So 11 out of 12 times 1 out of 3 or 1/3, it will be about 1/2. Okay? Okay. And now, listen or see your page number 714. It's example number 2. Okay, as we learned now, how to estimate fractions means you have to round each fractions to 0, 1/2, or 1. I have 2 out of 5 is closer to what? 6 out of 7 closer to what? Okay, as we see here, 2 out of 5 is closer to anyone? Yes, Abdullah? Yes, it's closer to 1/2. So I'll write 1/2 here. Times by 1. What 1? Because 6 out of 7 closer to 1. Okay, as you see here by using the number line to round each one. Okay, so 1/2 times by 1 will be 1/2. So 2 out of 5 times 6 out of 7 is about 1/2. Okay, what about if I have a mixed number? In example number 3. Is it clear? Example number 2. Okay, okay. If we have to round each fractions to 0, 1/2, or 1. Okay, according to the fractions. 2 out of 5 is closer to 1/2. 6 out of 7 closer to 1. So 2 out of 5 times by 6 out of 7 will be 1/2 times by 1. And then 1/2 times by 1 will be 1/2. So the estimate of 2 out of 5 times by 6 out of 7 is about 1/2. Okay, let's go with now example number 3. Estimate 7 and 2 out of 7 times by 3 and 7 out of 8. It's called what? Mixed numbers. Okay, great. Round each mixed number to the nearest whole number. Okay, here, round 7 and 2 out of 7. It will be what? 7 and 2 out of 7. Yes, 7, great. Why 7? Because 2 out of 7, the fraction with the mixed number, is closer to what? To 0. And 7 and 2 out of 7, the mixed numbers, means the whole plus its fraction. So 7, the whole number, plus 2 out of 7, we round it to what? To be 0. So 7 plus 0 will be 7. Is it clear? Okay. And then 3 and 7 out of 8 becomes what? Who can tell me? 3 and 7 out of 8. The mixed numbers. We have to round it to whole. Which closest to whole will be to round it to this mixed number. Okay? Yes, Abdulaziz? Yes, good. Because I have to rewrite this one, the whole, as we see here. 3 and 7 out of 8 means 3 plus 7 out of 8. 3 plus 7 out of 8 closer to what? Is valid? Okay, Fahim, tell me. 7 out of 8 closer to what? Yes, closer to 1. So 7 out of 8 means 1. Okay, we round it. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3 and 7 out of 8 becomes 4. And then 7 and 2 out of 7 times by 3 and 7 out of 8, it will be about. The first mixed numbers, we round it to be 7. And the second mixed number, we round it to be 4. So 7 times by 4 will be 28. So 7 and 2 out of 7 times 3 and 7 out of 8 will be about 28. Is it clear? Okay, again, fast. When we estimate mixed numbers, okay, round each fractions of the mixed numbers, okay, to 0 or half or 1. As we see here, 7 and 2 out of 7. I wrote it here. 7 and 2 out of 7 means it's a mixed numbers. Contains the whole, the 7, and the fraction, 2 out of 7. 7 the whole number, plus 2 out of 7 closer to what? 0, 1 half, or 1 whole? Yes, closer to 0. So 7 plus 0 would be 7. And the other mixed number is 3 and 7 out of 8. 3 and 7 out of 8 means 3 plus 7 out of 8. Whole and fractions. Okay? 3 the whole plus 7 out of 8, it's closer to what? To 1. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Now I have 7 and 4. After we round it. Okay? So it will be 7 times by 4, which is about 28. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Now you can watch this. Okay, you write everything here. Okay? Okay. I will let you watch this video, another one.
Hi, I'm Mr. Rutherford. In this problem, we'll learn how to estimate with mixed numbers. Estimate the area of a rectangle with length 14 and 9/10 feet and width 8 and 1/6 feet. Well, it says that we have a rectangle here, so I think it's always helpful to draw a diagram of what we have. A rectangle has opposite sides which are equal and parallel. So here's our diagram. Notice that one length is 14 and 9/10 feet, which is greater than 8 and 1/6 feet. So I'm going to put that here, 14 and 9/10 feet. And then we'll have that as our length, and our height, we'll say, or our width, will be 8 and 1/6 feet. Now, in order to find the area of a rectangle,
I have a question. What is the area of a rectangle? Who can tell me what is the area of a rectangle? Huh? Yes, good, Rajan. The area of a rectangle equals the product of its length times by width. Okay, as you see here. Okay, pay
we
attention.
multiply length times the width. Notice I've used A for area, the L is length, and the W is width. Now in this problem we want to estimate. So we can say that 14 and 9/10 feet is approximately equal to 15 feet.
Who can tell me why it's 15? Huh? Anyone else? Yes, good. Very good, Fauzan, because 14 and 9 out of 10, 14 and 9 out of 10 means 14 plus 9 out of 10. The mixed number means whole and fractions. 14 plus 9 out of 10, we have to round it. It's closer to what? Yes, closer to 1. So it will be 15. Okay? Okay.
And our 8 and 1/6 feet is approximately equal to 8 feet.
Who can tell me why 8? Why 8? Yes, very good, very good. Because 8 and 1 out of 6 contains of 8 whole plus 1 out of 6 is the fraction. 8 plus 1 out of 6 closer to what? Yes, Majid. Ahmad, good. Closer to 0. So 8 plus 0 would be 8. So this one will be 8. Okay? Okay.
So let's substitute 8 feet and 15 feet into our formula. So we have area of our rectangle is equal to our length, which in this case we've estimated as 15 feet, multiplied by our width, which we've estimated as 8 feet. So we simplify this equation. We have 15 times 8 is 120, and our feet are going to become feet squared. So the area, our estimated area of our rectangle, given our length and width, is approximately 120 feet squared.
Okay, is it clear? Okay, okay. Now, in your book, open page number 715. Okay, or cancel this. You can stop the video and check this example. Okay. We done yesterday number 2, 3, and 4. We are going to solve number 5, 6, and 10. 5, 6, 10, maybe 7, 2. It's okay. The other will be your work. Okay, this one we studied yesterday how to multiply one whole by fraction. We have to estimate. Remember, the question is estimate. Okay, 17 will be what? We have to change it. Okay, to find another number closer to 17 and divisible by the denominator. What I have a denominator here, 4. Which is closer to 17 and divisible by 4. Okay? Yes, Sultan? Very good. It will be 16. And 16 over what? Means over 1. Any whole number standing over 1. So multiply, denominators will be 16 over denominators will be 4. It will be what? 16 over 4 means 16 divided by 4 will be 4. So 17 times by 4 is about 4. Okay? This we studied yesterday already. Number 6. 7 out of 8 times 1 out of 9. Estimate fractions. Fraction by fractions. Round each one to 0, 1/2, or 1. Okay? 7 out of 8 is closer to what? Yes? Anyone? Yes, sir? Yes? Good. 7 out of 8 is closer to be 1. Very good. Times by what? 1 out of 9, closer to what? Yeah, Khalid? Yes, closer to 0. So, 1 times by 0 equals what? Yes, equals 0, 0 equality. Now, this will be about 0. Any question? We round each fractions or each fraction to 0, 1/2, or 1, according to the fraction. Number 7, 3 out of 5 times 8 out of 9. Yes, Amr, tell me. 3 out of 5 is closer to what? Yes, 3 out of 5 is closer to 1/2 times 5. 8 out of 9 closer to what, Ammar? Yes, tell me, wake up. 8 out of 9 closer to be what? Yes, closer to be 1. So, 1/2 times by 1 equals what? Muhammad Khalewi. That property I learned you. I told you this today. Any number times by 1 equal? Yes, the same number. So 1/2 times by 1 will be 1/2. So 3 out of 5 times by 8 out of 9 will be about what? About 1/2. Okay. I give you a second to think about number 8 and number 9. Think 8 and 9. Good. Okay. Excellent. Many students, they are solved. Excellent, boys. Number 8. 1/6 is closer to what? Yes, 0 times by 5 out of 7 closer to be what? Yes, 1 whole. So it will be 0 times by 1 is 0. So 1/6 or 1 out of 6 times by 5 out of 7 will be about 0. Good. Save this one. 1/4 or 1 out of 4 closer to be, yes, 0 times by 8 out of 9 closer to be 1. So the answer will be 0. Okay, number 10. I have to estimate what? Yes, Ryan, mixed numbers. Good. Okay, Fawzan, 2 and 2 out of 3. The mixed number contains of what and what? Yes, whole and fraction, which is the 2. And 2 out of 3 means 2 plus 2 out of 3. 2 plus 2 out of 3 closer to what? Abdulaziz, wake up. Okay, good. 2 out of 3 closer to 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So I will write this one is about 2 and 2/3 means 3 times 1. 3 and 1 out of 6 means, yes, Fahad? Yeah, 3 plus 1 out of 6. Okay, Amir? 3 plus 1 out of 6 closer to be what? Yes, 0. Now, 3 plus 0 equals 3. So, 3 times by the other mixed number, I will round it to be 3. So, 3 times by 3, which is 9. So, the answer will be about 9. Is it clear? Okay. We are finished now. I hope you understand the lesson. Okay. And still the electronic homework not yet finished. Just only 5 students did it. Please, the deadline will be tomorrow. Please, okay? And your homework for today is page number 717. Your homework for today is page number 717. Just only 3 problems. Please answer it and picture this page and send to me in my private number. Okay? Okay, have a good day and goodbye.